Decoding the phrase, spooked. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or literature, spooked. If you've ever wondered about its origin, meaning, and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this word. Before we delve into the phrase, spooked, let's understand the word spook. Originally, spook was a slang term for a ghost or a spirit. It conjures images of things that are mysterious, eerie, or potentially scary. Picture a misty old mansion with creaky doors and you suddenly hear an unexpected noise. That's something that might be described as spooky. While spook can refer to a ghost, when someone says they're spooked, it doesn't necessarily mean they've seen a spirit. Figuratively, to be spooked means to be startled, alarmed, or suddenly scared. It's a sudden reaction to something unexpected. For instance, if you were walking in a forest and a rabbit suddenly jumped out from a bush, you might be spooked. Or if you were deep in thought and someone tapped you on the shoulder unexpectedly, that could also spook you. Let's put spooked into context with a few examples. 1. I got spooked when the lights suddenly went out. 2. The loud noise from the fireworks spooked the dog. 3. She was spooked by the strange shadow on the wall. Each of these sentences showcases an instance where someone or something was taken by surprise or experienced a sudden fear. Understanding a word or phrase becomes easier when you know its synonyms. Here are some words related to spooked: startled, alarmed, frightened, scared, shocked. Keep in mind that while all these words relate to being afraid or taken by surprise, the intensity and context might vary slightly from one to another. And there we have it. The next time you come across the phrase, spooked, or feel the need to use it, you'll know exactly what it means and how to incorporate it into your conversation. English is filled with such colorful expressions that make the language rich and exciting. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.